Hello everyone, as you can see in my background, this is iMac and it's running macOS. At the same time, I'm planning to install Windows operating system by using the Bootcamp. The good news is to install Windows operating system in your iMac, you don't have to have any USB stick or you don't have to have the Windows installer ISO file. Okay, it's pretty simple. By using Bootcamp, if you do have internet connection, you can install Windows operating system in here. So first of all, make sure you connected your iMac to the internet and then go to the search which is on the right top and Spotlight search, type Bootcamp Assistant, and once you type, you're going to find it the top option. Once you open up, it's going to come up like that and you need to hit next. Once you hit next, then it's going to show you like how big you want. So first of all, if you have any downloaded ISO file, then you need to search where it is. I search in my Mac hard drive. I did not find any because I never downloaded separately or I never got it from any other website. Okay, and you have two options. Either you can get into Windows, Microsoft web page and download it, the ISO file, but right now you don't have to do it in that way. It's super simple. As you can see, I don't have any ISO file. Instead of doing that, what I done is I clicked here and choose the top option. Click here and the top option, and then resize it. Make sure how much you want. This is the space. It will be deducted from your actual hard drive or SSD. So I'm going to keep it like around 300 gigabyte so that I can download many games and many applications. And once I click on install, it's going to first download the Windows support software to install the actual operating system. This one takes time. It depends on your internet connection, and also it depends on how old or how new is your Mac is. All right, so we're going to wait until it's downloaded and then we're going to see what happened next. Alright, so now it's pretty simple. We need to select where you are and time and currency format and keyboard and other stuff, which is pretty simple. Hit next, and if you don't have any product key, just do I don't have a product key, and then you can choose. I would suggest you to get Windows 10 Home Edition because this is much easier to activate it. Accept the terms and condition and then hit next. Once you do that, it's gonna copy and install all the necessary files and folders. It takes about 20 minutes for me. So from here until the end, I'm going to fast forward the video just to make the video shorter, and I would like to see at the end if the dual boot is successful, if it does work properly or not. So stay with me, and please, if you do like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like and share. Alright, so the actual installation process nearly end, and still we have to do a couple of jobs. As you can see, the Bootcamp is open by itself. Now we need to hit next button, and then the Bootcamp would install all the necessary drivers and stuff like that. So hit next, accept the terms and condition. To go forward, hit next again, and now it's going to take a little bit of time. So don't be surprised if you see the green bar is not filling up. It's going to give you a feelings like this is stuck or frozen, which is absolutely normal. Consider 10 to 15 minutes, and then once it's done, the Windows system would be ready to use. So now the Bootcamp is asking for restart. Make sure you do that. And this is not the only one restart would happen. It would take few restarts due to complete the installation of the drivers and everything in the background. So I found myself to installing Windows operating system into Windows laptop is much more easier, and it takes very short time. But to install by using the Bootcamp in Mac, iMac, or let's say MacBook Pro, whatever it is, it takes a little bit longer than Windows laptop. Okay, there are a few steps, as you can see. First, it downloaded the actual ISO file, and second one was getting ready everything. And once the Windows installed, then Bootcamp setup, which one was downloading and installing the necessary drivers. So as you can see, my mouse was connected. Now I'm going to connect into internet. As you can see, there is no more connection because it started up with the Windows, and the Windows network module doesn't know your actual Wi-Fi, which one was connected before. So I'm going to put my password and hit next. So it's going to take less than a minute. As you can see, this is connected. Now we can turn off the system or restart. So there are two options, either on the right hand side bottom of the corner. As you can see, there is the Bootcamp option. If you click on restart, sometimes it does work, sometimes it doesn't. As you can see, once I press OK, it's going to give me a kind of error code, which is normal. Okay, so I'm going to try from the left hand side by Windows default shutdown option, which is on the left of the screen. So everything seems pretty fine. Now you might have a question. Let's say, as you can see, after restart, always Windows is keep coming back. Now let's say you want to use your existing Mac operating system. Then what you have to do, shut it down, press the option key, press and hold, and then turn it on, and don't release the option button until you see the boot options into the screen. So it takes few seconds. As you can see now, once I hold the option key, it gives me three options, and the first one was my Mac operating system. Once I seen it selected, I just hit enter. Now it's loading up my Mac. Alright, so once the Mac loaded properly, I would say the dual boot was absolutely correct, and I don't have to have any ISO file downloaded separately from the Microsoft website or any other site. I just follow the guidelines of this Bootcamp, and Bootcamp gave me the direct download option, the Windows ISO file. So the Windows operating system was pretty fast, and I never felt that I'm using Windows into the Mac. So still, if you do have any question regarding dual boot or Bootcamp in your Mac, please let me know in the comment section. And please, if you do like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Thank you.